Receive warm greetings from this end, fellow VIP winners, and welcome to the Weekender edition of the news. Coming up on today's newscast, in tech news, Tech Consulting LLC is hosting a free cybersecurity orientation session on June 15. Don't miss your chance to explore courses in computer basic, ethical hacking, and more. In the Southwest Regional Capital, Buea, heart of Gold Luxury Motel redefines hospitality with top-notch accommodation, a vibrant bar and grill, and the stunning backdrop of Mount Cameroon. And from Douala's Bonaberi neighborhood, all but AB Incubator is setting new standards in poultry farming with innovative locally made incubator that boasts productivity and profit. Those were as top stories. Stand by for the news in greater detail. At the central microphone for presentation, I am Bertrand Shintom Tumyoy. The news in full. Attention, aspiring tech professionals. There are just a few days left, so mark your calendar for a fantastic opportunity. Tech Consulting LLC, a renowned institution within the VIP winners community, is hosting a free cybersecurity orientation session on June 15, 2025. This virtual event will be held via Zoom at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 8 p.m. Central African Time. The orientation will introduce you to essential cybersecurity courses from computer basic to advanced topics like ethical hacking, threat intelligence, and vulnerability management. Tech Consulting LLC is committed to equipping you with the skills needed to strive in this booming field. Some courses include A+, that is computer basic, CompTIA Security Plus, ethical hacking, SOC engineering, interview preparation, and more. And guess what? Participation is completely free. Don't miss this chance to start your journey in cybersecurity. For more information, visit their Facebook page or contact USA +1 240 421 5812. If you are in Cameroon, +237 683 916388. Hurry up, mark your calendars. The deadline is just days away. Take your first step towards a rewarding cybersecurity career with Tech Consulting LLC. Stay tuned for more updates. And remember, cybersecurity is the future. Away from that, on today's edition of VIP News, we take you to the Southwest Regional Capital, Buea, to spotlight an entrepreneurial endeavor that is redefining the hospitality sector. Heart of Gold Luxury is making waves with its exceptional services. They boast a well-organized motel, perfectly situated for your comfort and complemented by a bar, grill, and restaurant. Located in Bokwango at the foot of the majestic Mount Cameroon, Heart of Gold Luxury benefits from the region's wonderful weather and unbeatable natural charm. Guests can count on constant water flow, steady electricity, reliable Wi-Fi, and so much more, all to ensure a formidable stay. At Heart of Gold Luxury, your comfort is your priority. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you updates on businesses transforming our communities. On today's edition of VIP News, we are taking you on a journey to Bonaberi, Douala, where an enterprising local entrepreneur is turning up the heat in the bird breeding industry, literally. Meet the mind behind all but AB Incubator, a company revolutionizing the way you hatch your chicks. With their cutting-edge incubators, you can hatch your chicks in as little as 21 days, ensuring your birds are market-ready in record time. AB Incubator doesn't just stop at quality. They are committed to providing reliable, locally made solutions for all your bird breeding needs. Their workshop, conveniently located in Bonaberi, Douala, is a one-stop shop for both large-scale poultry farmers and small-scale bird enthusiasts. Whether you are raising layers, broilers, or exotic birds. So why wait? Take the next step in modern bird breeding and give your birds the best start in life. For more information or to place an order, contact AB Incubators today at +237 677 650353 or 670 247127. Listeners of VIP News, it is with that update we draw the curtains on today's edition of VIP News. Take the rendezvous on Monday. We'll be back at the central microphone for presentation. Call me Betrain Shintum Tumnyoy. Stay blessed and wonderful weekend.